So I just got this set of Earthberry Pastels in the mail today, and the folks at Earthberry reached out and asked if I would be interested in trying this set of their pastels. They're made in Russia, so they just arrived. Eco-friendly homemade pastels. You can see here this particular color set. So let's see what they're like. I really like this. First of all, I like the packaging. I like this image on the front. There's a QR code that goes to their Instagram page, which I already follow. Let's check out the back. Yeah, this is the name of this set is Hoarfrost. Great for winter scenes and no doubt a few other things, but again, you can kind of see the colors that are in this set. So I'm excited to see what's in here and paint with them. I will say the the box they came in from USPS overseas got a little beat up and was opened and had to be resealed, so I'm hoping this set is not broken. It looks like the packaging was pretty solid. This, of course, was wrapped in bubble wrap, so let's see if they survived the trip. So you open it up and you have this really, oh, that's really nice. This very clever way to identify colors. So you have the number of the color, the name of the color, and then there's also a light fast rating with each. Gray basalt, taupe, gray anthracite, pale gray, olive dusted, black pomegranate, that's going to be a nice color, Payne's gray. And then here is, okay, well, they've gotten a little bit messed up in the shipping. Let's see if any of them are, I think this obviously was not supposed to be crammed this way. But it looks like most of the sticks survived. One did not. This one, as you can see, busted into several pieces. Everything else, though, seems to, oh, this one's fallen apart. Okay, well, a couple of them took a hit, but, you know, they're still in big enough pieces. I can make use of them. Everything else looks good. Look at that, just some really great colors. Shades of gray violets, mostly violets. There's a couple of gray greens, some gray blues, but lots of gray versions of violet and some really nice subtle shifts between some of these values. Again, I think there's, I like this packaging. I really like how rustic it looks. I'm not sure it was the best for overseas transportation, but again, you know, you never know. Sometimes these things hold up well and sometimes they don't. Just kind of the luck of the draw, I guess. Yeah, a couple of them are smashed. It's just those two. So that's good.